a highly qualified professional looking for job opportunities in Europe? Consider Sweden, a country renowned for its innovation, high quality of life, and progressive labor policies. With a strong economy and a demand for skilled workers, Sweden offers a promising destination for career advancement. Welcome to GetGIS, where we will provide you with information on various aspects of immigration. For highly skilled professionals seeking new horizons, Sweden beckons with a thriving economy and a wealth of promising job opportunities. First, a hub for innovation. Sweden's reputation as a hub for innovation is well deserved. Its economy is fueled by world-famous industries such as technology, engineering, education, and much more. Whether you are a software engineer at the forefront of digital advancement, a scientist pushing the boundaries of knowledge, a dedicated health professional for improving life, or an educator shaping the minds of the future, Sweden values your expertise and offers you an environment where your skills can flourish. Second, navigating the Swedish job market. Embarking on a new career journey in Sweden is a seamless process, thanks to its robust job market and online job platforms. Job portals like Sweden Public Employment Service and Indeed will connect you with a vast array of job openings, making it easy to find the perfect match for your qualifications and aspirations. Additionally, networking events and professional organizations provide the opportunity to grow your network and uncover the hidden career gems. Third, securing your work permits. To seamlessly integrate into the Swedish professional landscape, you will need to secure a work permit. If you have received a job offer from a Swedish employer, effortlessly they can apply the work permit on your behalf. Alternatively, you can opt for a job seeker visa also, which grants you up to a stay of 9 months while you actively pursue the employment opportunities. Throughout the process, you will have access to a comprehensive support to ensure a smooth transition. Fourth, embracing Swedish culture. Sweden extends a warm embrace to foreign professionals, providing comprehensive support to ensure their seamless integration into Swedish society. Language courses, cultural orientation programs, and relocation assistance are readily available to help you to adapt to your new surroundings and thrive in your new home. From its rich history and tradition to its contemporary arts and cuisine, Sweden has a lot to offer. Fifth, your gateway to success. Sweden presents an unparalleled opportunity to elevate your career while experiencing the fulfilling lifestyle. With its thriving economy, welcoming culture, and unwavering commitment to innovation, Sweden is the ideal destination to embark your journey of professional excellence. Embrace the opportunity to contribute your skills, expand your horizons, and forge a successful path in Sweden. Embark on your Swedish journey today. Visit our website or contact our immigration experts to know more about the work permit, job opportunities, and the Swedish lifestyle. Discover the world of possibilities that awaits you in the Sweden. Thank you for joining us today at GetGIS. If you found this information valuable, remember to like, subscribe, and share this information with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more informative content on immigration. Until next time, take care.